Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna introduce a very important website for you. You can make a lot of money through this website. It's very easy. We call this negative income because you don't have to work hard to get this money. So it's very easy. First of all, you just need to add this link, Survey Junkies Co. And once you are able to log into this website, you're gonna earn $30 for not doing anything. You're not gonna do anything. You just earn $30 to sign up. This is a sign up bonus. So I'm gonna log in into my personal website dashboard here, and I'm gonna just the first thing you have to do is you need to start to sign up for this website to get the $30. Actually, I got this $30, and I'm going to teach you how to use this website. It's very easy. You don't have to be a professional to make this money. You just have to start like this. Look at this. Very good. This is all you have to do. Look at my account here. I have $331, and I just need to cash them out once I fulfill all the rules for this website. We have all heard about affiliate marketing and how it works. You can just work at home and earn a lot of money to cover your expenses. You don't have to be very professional. That's all you have to do. We have to study the dashboard here. This is a dashboard which has all the controls of the website. Number one, refer and earn the money. This is the first thing you have to do, that you refer people to this website. And here you're gonna have your personal link, just like this one. You have to copy this personal link and publish it in social networks, and you can even start campaigns using Reddit or classified ads, whatever. This is very personal. It's your personal skill to do that. But the most important thing is that you copy this personal link and this referral link, and you put it in Facebook. That's the most important thing you have to do. Once you do this, you're going to earn a lot of money too. So for example, when everybody clicks this link, you're going to earn some money for each click, or you got it. So this is very easy. You don't have to do anything special. This is the number one thing here. Number two, task wall. This is, you have $30. All you have to do here, you need to press these buttons like here, and you need to do some surveys. Once you've done this with each survey, each one of these, you're gonna get $60. I'm gonna show you how, but I don't have time to just talk about everything in this website. I'm going to show you what you have to do first. This is a tutorial. If you want to understand how it works, you can watch this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do this. Number three, promotional posts. You're going to get money for each promotion. And that's what you have to do to put this stuff in your Facebook account, for example, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. You can take one of these pictures or banners, and you can add a lot of information, and once people visit this website, you're going to earn a lot of money. And I did all these things, and that's why I have this $331 right here. Excuse me. Also, you can make use of your YouTube videos. You can just do a little or a small YouTube video, and you publish it in your channel, and you get $50 once you put your referral link there in YouTube, or you get that YouTube link and put it in the site here. This is a video link where you have to put the link for YouTube, and once you put it here, you're gonna earn $50. And I tried this and it worked out for me like magic. It's very easy. Next, we have Facebook videos. You can put another video into the Facebook, you can upload it, and you get the link, and you put it here, and you're gonna get $50. Imagine $50 for a small video. That's all you have to do. Besides Facebook posts, you can put some posts about the website, and you get the post link like here. It doesn't have to be a video. It can be, you talk about the website and how it works and how to sign up for this service. The same thing, you get $50 for Instagram posts, and you get $50 for snapshot videos, TikTok videos also. If you put a video in TikTok and you get the link and put it here, you're gonna get $50. Imagine, you get a lot of money in half an hour. It doesn't take a lot of efforts. You don't have to put so much efforts into that. And here is the reward system, and this is your account, and you have all your information about it. I'm gonna show it to you. And this is the payment. You have the I have $331, and this is your balance pending, because I haven't cashed it up till now. I still wait till I have a lot of money. So it's up to you if you want to withdraw the money from your bank account, and you have different options to be cash the money. You can withdraw the money to your direct account in the bank. It's up to you, and you can use PayPal, Payoneer, whatever. Cash out, this is a final stage. When you here I have fulfilled most of my deals here, so I can just have a request payment, and they will send me the money. For example, I selected this way of paying the money, payment method, mail the check, because it's very secure, it's very easy, you don't have to worry about anything at all. And if you need any help, of course, you can go to this section. They will help you, explain everything to you. And here's the payment to proof. You can get payment to proof, because many people earn a lot of money from this website. Thanks again, and please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share these videos, because a lot of people need this money to support them in their education, and I don't want to keep this information just for myself. I want to share it with everyone. Thank you again.